the pure goddess of the rain, the one who brings forth rain and flourish the land.
The baby is coming. Ah! The cancer, the midwife. The baby. Ah! No. Push. Yes. I'm tired. Hey, push. It's coming. Ah! No. Hey, open your mouth. Breathe. Take in air. Oh yeah, push. Push now. Push now. It's coming. Hey! I want more. Is it not out? It's coming. Oh yeah, push. Oh yeah, man, push. Breathe in, push. Open your mouth. Oh yeah, push. Harder. Daughter, are you not tired? Oh Loma, my daughter. I hope this is the last one.
No, Mama. I still have to fetch more water to fill up the pot.
No. I don't want you to be subjected to this kind of stress. You know the river is very far. Eh? I don't know what you have with the river. You always love to go and fetch water.
Don't worry, Mama. I'm fine. The gods will always strengthen my feet. You know I love water.
I know. But see, promise me this is going to be the last one. Promise.
Okay, I promise.
You can go. fast so that you come and eat.
What happened to her?
She's dying. My sister is dying. I don't know what happened. I'm trying to rush her to the medicine man. Please help me.
You won't make it before you reach there.
Huh? Hey, no. She's the only one I have. I can't lose her.
Do you trust me?
Hold on, ma. Look, I know you have helped in healing so many people in this village, but I'm scared this is something you cannot handle, eh? So let me go.
Put her down.
I should do what?
Put her down.
Would you please open your eyes? Would you please? Eh? Hey, oh God of our land, please help you.
Water is the giver of life. It has no enemies. It restores life into people's soul.
Uju? You're alive! Can you see me? Hey! Thank you! Uju! Hey! Uju! Stand up! Hey! Oh mama! May the gods bless you. Thank you so much. Hey! Uju!
God is always with us.
Hey!
She needs to rest. Take her to your hut.
I will. Thank you. Hey, Uju. Mama, thank you. May the gods bless you. Hey. Mama, one more.
The bringer of rain, the one who changed the tides of the sky with a snap of finger, the messenger of the gods. You are the messenger of gods, well known. It is you we greet, one who moves smoothly on the ground like a snake, poisonous at the tail, but smooth on the surface. It is you we greet.
Igwe.
I want to tell you, Idumri, that our kingdom is considered most favored because of your existence in this kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I tell you most sincerely that my people are showing gratitude for that which you have done by bringing the rain. They have said that I should present this to you, including other items that will be coming to your abode as a sign of appreciation for what you have done. We are indeed very thankful.
Igwe. The people of Umunze, they have done well. May the blessing of the sky bless this land.
Idumri, I ask that you should go with this They are coming with more. In your harbor.
Igwe. Igwe. I shall take my leave now.
It's okay. It's okay. Musa Kilevun! Yeah. No, this was your grandchild. For this having been accepted. She accepted our gift. It is a sign that all is well.
We are happy.
Look at that handsome young man. The kind of man I want for myself.
Don't marry. Please be reminded of who you are. The gods are yet to decide on the kind of man you need right now.
While the gods are still trying to decide, I might as well choose for myself.
You might end up disputing your oath. The gods will be angry. Oh.
You will seal those lips of yours. I did not ask for your opinion.
I'm sorry, Grayson.
Yes, Mary.
Young man, what is your name?
Ebube.
I need you to come with me to my hut.
Why? Why should I follow you to your hut, Mary?
You will come with me and grace my bed.
Yes, be grateful.
Nekenese wanyi mmiri, goddess of the rain. Amoma saluni igwe, amoma salunedu. Orani butu, orani butu, orani butu, orani butu, orani butu. Orani butu Nigaru kiji dero bodanyi we mebisie Bodanyi we na basi yara yara Okena fiangwere noza Nwokobu ni jidero ita Nwokobu ni jidero ita Gwine mesera bu no si degima Jetakwo the gods are wise Yeah Koko Aro emegona
Ne yakona bia Onyo chitelo obuwe nike
Onyaruran
Hayenye
Wanyi ojo
Hayenye
Iyako
Wanyi obi ojo Ne yakona bia onyo jidelo bue.
Go in.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Aku jaruna moka turime. Iya kokoko. Aro emegana.
Yupi ojo. Ne yakona bia. Onyo jidelo bue. Obue nike.
Onyaruran.
I'm telling you. This is getting out of hand. Eh? How can there be no rain in the land for 3 years? 3 whole years. Nah, Abu, Ato, 3 years.
So much.
How do we survive this plague that has befallen us? How? Uzoka. And the worst of it is that when we say we have a rainmaker in this village, just imagine, see.
Look at, see. Just look at it. Dry soil. They go. Hi. How are we going to continue like this? And we come and we say we have a rainmaker in this village. What will you call this? See.
The only thing we have to do now is to go to the palace. Yes, we all go to the way together and cry to him because we need a solution to this.
Yes, Madam, you are right. You are so right, my dear brother. People are dying. People are dying out of hunger. There is no food. Our soil is so dry because of lack of rain.
I think you have a point. Enough is enough. Ogadima, you have a point. You have a point in this. We need to go to the king and cry. We need to go to the West Place. Let's go to the West Place now and cry about this because this is getting out of hand. I don't know about God. Let us go to
On my way to the palace, I saw Eze, Ogadema, and Uzoka planning with the youth to come and invade the palace. And I asked them, what is going on? They start telling me that things are not working. No rain, the crops are dying, the animals are dying. I have to tell them to stay back. Let me get to Igwe. I will turn back to them.
Oh no. Save your breath. First and foremost, I want to thank you for averting the insult that would have come to the throne.
Igwe.
I appreciate that. It is time for us to be reawakened on this course, since all we have tried proved abortive. I think it is time for us to consult the Idumiri. Let her consult the gods to tell us what is the cause of all this plague.
Of course. It's becoming unbearable. We have to do something fast.
Yes, we need to be fast about it.
You know it will not be a good one if they invade the palace. You know what that means. Especially that Eze. Eze! I knew him too well. Yes.
Aye, akoko mmiri. Mmiri kọlụ n'obodo.
Idemiri.
Nsi na mmiri jụrụ izoba anyị o. O meghị izu mee ọnwa. Anyị afụrụ ọdụ.
Why do you seek for Idomiri?
The king seeks for her presence immediately.
Udumiri is not one to be ordered like a dog.
You do not disobey the king's orders when he calls.
I will be back.
Anyị furu ọdụm ma ọ bụghị afọ gwuru afọ na mmiri ezoghị chacha ife nke na bụ ere oji adọbazi okwu njụwa bụ gịnị na-eme ọrụ obodo bụ gịnị na-emezi ọ bụ onye ga-azọpụta anyị njụwa bụ onye ga-azọpụta anyị afịfịa anyị na-akpọzi nkụ agụrụ na-ebuzikwa anyị ebu nge ka anyị jete mmezi anyị ọ ga-anọzi mmadụ sibe mmụọ anyị akwụkwọ mmiri anyị akwụkwọ mmiri n'obodo mmadụ na-ga-enwezi nkwa na-akwazi aka n'ume obodo ga-enwezi ya nkwa na-akwazi aka n'ume goddess of rain ọ bụ gịnị na-emezi onye ga-agbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka onye ga-agbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka obodo na-ebezi.
Greetings, Green Goddess.
Come back here. Greetings, Uzoka.
Is there a problem?
You need to come with me to my hut. Don't marry.
Come with you to your hut. Why?
Nekenese wanyi mmiri, goddess of the rain. Amuma saluni igwa amuma salune. Orani butu.
Idumiri, you are not a stranger in this land.
You can attest to all the strange happenings in our land. The sky has refused to bless us with rain. Things are not working normal. Idumili, is there any way we have offended the gods?
Oh no. I am only but the hand tool of the gods. And they have remained silent over this issue.
Silent. Silent is not the best answer. Idumili, speak to them. Let them say something. Our people are perishing day by day. No food in the land. Our crops are dying. Is this how we are going to continue to strive?
When the God speaks, I shall reveal to the people of this kingdom. But at the moment, they are still silent.
Silent. Silent. we going to perish in silence? Do something. Do something.
Orani butu. Nigadu keji dero bodani we mebisi.
Igwe, hello.
How can Idumiri be totally useless to us in a situation like this? Eh? Is she not supposed to be the rainmaker? Eh? This is her calling. Yet, she disappoints us. She has turned us down. Eh?
Igwe, in my honest opinion, I would say Idumili hasn't really been living up to her potential. But I can attest to the great number of young men who goes in and out of a place on a daily basis.
Yes.
Someone we call us. Someone who is supposed to be of help to us in trying times like this engages herself in frivolities, things that are not beneficial to us.
Say it. Say it, oh. Igwe, with all that has been said, I am of the opinion that we should look for help elsewhere. But I would suggest we consult DBS from outside and within the kingdom if they can find a way out of this.
Very well then, I agree with all you have said. But oh no, do you have any Dibia in mind?
Yes, Igwe. I have one. I trust him so much. He can help us.
Very well then. Summon him.
Igwe.
Who are you? I want hiding in my compound.
Uloma, your time has come. You must return to your true home, Umunze. That's your route. You must return.
Leave! Leave my compound! You cannot come to people's huts! Mama, can I ask you a question?
That is why I'm here. You called me.
Mama, where am I from?
Where are we? So what kind of rubbish question is that?
Mama, please tell me. I need to know.
Need to know what?
Mama, am I from Umunze?
Who told you that? And what kind of stupid question are you asking me? See, go inside and get me food. I'm hungry.
Mama.
I said, go inside and get me my food. Let me eat. What sort of stupid question? You want to come and stress?
This is so easy. Where am I from?
If I stand up from here, you will not like me. Are you okay? Go inside and get me my food.
Great one, I greet you.
You are welcome. You are welcome to the great shrine of Igala. So what do I owe this visit?
Great one. I have come from afar to speak the hearts of my people. We need your help.
Then speak your heart.
My land has not witnessed rain for so many years now. My people are perishing. The crops are dying. Our animals are dying. We need you, Great One, to help us. Help us and do something before we all perish one day.
Evil has clouded your kingdom. Darkness hovers around your community. I shall be in your kingdom at sunrise.
Thank you, Great One. Thank you. We shall be expecting you.
Mmiri kọlụ n'obodo anyị o. Nsị na mmiri jụrụ izoba anyị o. O mege izu mee ọnwa. Anyị afụrụ ọdụm ma ọ bụ yọm.
Chika, come here. Go to the backyard and empty that pot of water.
This is the last one I have. Please spare.
I said you should go and pour that water.
I beg of you. We do not have water in our huts.
Do not make me to repeat myself again.
We don't have water in
Go now! And you, go with her and make sure she does the right thing.
Eze dibịa, ndị be anyị si n'ife eke jezuo ọbụla eke dị n'oye. Ile na-esi na-egwu anyị, ofe n'ogwu a na-eme mkpochi. Tell us, are there still fishes in the water?
Your Highness, there is light in the 3 market days, but the 4th market day, there is no light. Darkness.
Why is there darkness at this point when we need light? What are the gods doing? Are they sleeping?
Your Highness, there is nothing anyone can do.
Ezedibia, consult the gods. You are a powerful Ezedibia. The people come from far and near seeking for your help. You cannot afford not to help your people. Consult the gods. Let them tell us what to do to avert the dangerous room in the corner.
Ask them. Your Highness. He who wrestle the ghost will not live to see the daylight.
I shall not wrestle
the ghost.
Okay, one.
People need you. You must go back. You need to save them.
I'm not who you think I am. Leave me alone.
You know deep down within you, you're gifted. You're the chosen one. You're now the rainmaker of Umunze. You are Mirindo.
Mama, I have to return to Munze. To my home.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Mama, I've been instructed by my king. The people in the land are dying. We have to return. If we don't, they will perish. Mama, my king called me Mirindo. You've heard that name before, right? Haven't you? I need to go and answer the call. Ma, please.
Mirindo. Where did you hear that name from?
Aye, akwo komiri. Aye, akwo komiri. Aye, akwo komiri. Mmiri kọlụ n'obodo anyị o. Aye, akwo komiri. Nsị na mmiri jụrụ izoba anyị o. Aye, akwo komiri. O mege izu mee ọnwa. Aye, akwo komiri. Anyị afọ.
Don't Mary. I'm not happy.
Osinachi, what makes you unhappy?
You have made me unhappy. I admire you for years. Your diligence to work. Your hard work for the people of this kingdom. You are a symbol of purity. A mentor to the young maidens of this kingdom. But then, you've changed. You're no longer the Domiri I used to know. All you do now is to forcefully enchant the young men to your biddings. I think that is one of the reasons the gods are angry with you.
Osinachi, how dare you? How dare you speak to me in this manner? Have you forgotten who I am? You are a nobody. I brought you closer to me to serve me, not the other way round.
I'm sorry. I don't mean to get you offended.
I see you're no longer useful to me.
Yeah, Nekenese wanyi mmiri, goddess of the rain. Amoma saluni igwe, amoma salunedu. Orani butu, orani butu, orani butu, orani butu.
This is clearly not my doing. Who did this? Who did this?
Orani butu, orani butu. Negaru keji dero bodani we mebisi. Bodani we na basi yara yara. Okena fiangwere noza.
Oh, Gadima. The gods are beginning to smile at us.
Yes, my sister. But it rained not up to a minute. Eh? Cause of our land, please have mercy on us.
Well, I believe it will still rain. With the way the cloud was formed, it ought to have lasted for a week.
Alright. Let's just hope for something good to happen. Okay? We need help. Hey.
I agree with you, my sister.
Anyway, this is now. My throat is dried up. I need water. Please, let's go.
Greetings.
Greetings. Do you know this is a dangerous path to follow? Especially by this time of the day. There are wild animals walking around.
Chimo, that means we must have missed our way.
Who are you? And where are you coming from?
We came from a long distance. Please, we need your help.
Yes, we need your help because we came to this land to seek for refuge. We have no one to go to. Please, you need to help us.
Are you saying that you people are stranded?
Yes. Yes, we are. Please. We need somewhere to stay, please.
Alright. Let me see what I can do.
Oh, thank you.
May the gods bless you.
Come with me.
May the gods bless you.
Greetings, goddess of mine. Okay, Adimma. Why have you not come to my abode to present your farm produce?
My priestess,
Shh! You dare try to lie to your goddess of rain?
No.
Now go in there and bring the farm produce.
Yes.
Don't marry at this again. What is wrong with this maiden? She's at it again. Taking people's farm produce. No. I won't let this be. I, Eze, must stop her.
Idomiri, what is this that you are doing in this village? What is this?
What is this? Why do you keep collecting our farm produce?
Eze! You dare speak to me in such manner? Have you forgotten who I am?
I know who you are. You are the rain goddess. That is why you need to make the rain fall. For us to be able to get, in order for us to give you farm produce.
I am the great Ndumiri, the goddess of rain. No one dares to challenge me.
I am still in shock. For over 3 years now, we have not seen any rain. All of a sudden, the cloud squeezes itself and rain fall for a very short while. Igwe, I think the gods are toiling with our emotions.
No, Igwe, the joy swept away in the twinkle of an eye. The manner at which the rain disappeared from the sky got me worried. I think there is more to this than meets the eye.
Same as my thought. But what are we going to do about this?
Oh no. As it stands now, our hands are tied. We can only depend on the gods to act on our favor again.
This food is so delicious. I'm telling you. I'm surprised I cook so well. Very well.
I hope you and your daughter are enjoying yourself.
Of course. And also the shelter you gave to us. You are a good man. May the gods bless you.
I have been helped so many times. My people.
Wow.
Yes. The least I can do is to extend the same hand to whoever needs it.
May the gods bless you.
And protect you.
Enjoy your food. I'll be back.
Thank you.
Very nice man. And he knows how to cook.
He knows how to cook new rice and the bushmeat. Greetings, Kosisi.
Greetings. I can see you swept everywhere. Thank you.
It's nothing, Kosisi. I derive joy in doing all those things.
I must say I'm impressed.
It's nothing. And your gun is already cleaned.
Oh. Thank you. I have to be on my way now. I need to check my traps. I'll be back in no time.
May the gods bless you. Take good care of yourself.
Okay.
And when you come back, your food will be ready.
Okay. Thank you.
Take care.
See you later.
Anyoga no si mado si be mo now Kwasiakanume, goddess of rain, Obogini Nehemezi.
What did you do to me? How did I get here?
Leave before you incur my wrath. I said leave! Fool.
Goddess of the rain. Amoma Saluni, Guamoma Salune. Orani Boto. Orani Boto, Orani Boto. Orani Boto. Orani Boto, Orani Boto. Negaru Kiji de Robodani, where maybe see. Robodani, where now, Basiara. Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. I saw something where you left. You had an evil encounter.
I don't understand.
May I? This necklace will protect you.
Okay. I'm lost.
You don't have to be. Because you are safe now.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm inside.
Okay.
Mirima, Mirioso, Mirima, Lecona Bia, Miri goddess of rain, Mirima, Zorani, Miri Zoro Bodani, Mirima.
Young man, what is your name?
Okosisi, is there a problem?
Oh no, there is no problem. You see, I saw you yesterday and I got struck in admiration. You seem like a loving young man, and I would love to have a taste of you.
How do you mean?
You know what I mean. Come with me and taste the sweetness of your goddess of rain.
You know, the sweetest thing that can happen to us in this village is to see rainfall. Why don't you channel your energy to the sky and make it rain?
You fool! You must obey me.
If you don't mind, I'd like to take my leave.
How was he able to do that? How was he able to resist my charm? How? Who gave him the powers to do so? Who? I will get you. I will get you laid. You will grace my bed by any means possible. You don't marry the goddess of rain.
There's something that has been bothering me that I want to ask you.
Okay, go ahead.
Who is Uloma's father? What really happened?
It's a very long story. But now that you ask, I will tell you.
Thank you, because I know that you people coming into this village is not a coincidence. Tell me, what happened? Tell me everything.
You're right. Uloma insisted that we'll visit this village. My king, I am saying the truth. I cannot lie before the throne. I am carrying your child. Since the day you forced yourself into my bed, no man has ever touched you.
Quiet, woman! You're not scared to accuse me of this abominable act!
My king, you know I am saying the truth. I am carrying your child, my king. Please.
God! She must be punished for lying against the throne of my fathers. Bundle this woman, take her out, and make sure that her head is separated from her body. Now!
No, my king, what have I done to deserve this? You know I am saying the truth. I cannot lie with a child in my womb.
No! No, woman!
Please, my king, listen to me. I cannot lie to you, my king. Listen to me, my king.
Keep going! Leave now!
My king! My king, you're carrying.
Keep going!
Please, I beg you, please don't hurt me.
Keep going!
Please don't hurt me, please.
Move!
For the sake of my child, please, I beg you. Please, for the sake of this unborn child, don't kill me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt my unborn child, please. Please, my child is innocent. Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you. Please. Please don't kill me. Please, for the sake of my unborn child, please. Remember, I've been good to you people in the palace for the sake of my unborn child. My child is innocent. Please, please don't do it. Please, don't do it. Please. Please.
Can't. I think she's right. We can't kill her with the child in her womb.
But this is the king's order. We can't disobey it.
I know what to do. I have a plan.
You know what? You will leave Umuneze at once and never to return.
Yes, I will do that. I will do that.
Do you understand?
I will do it.
Do you understand?
Yes,
Now leave.
Okay, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Move before I take my mind.
What do we do? See, we'll find an animal blood and put on this cloth to serve as an evidence to the king that we have killed her. You know, we will show the king the blood. It's an evidence to the king that she's dead. Yes. Let's go.
All right. Let's go back to the palace. Mama is the daughter of our king? Chibo!
The day I gave birth to Uloma, something mysterious happened. There was a heavy rainfall. And immediately I gave birth to her. I heard a voice called out, Mirindo. It was as if the gods named her instantly. Uloma is a gifted child that even me, the mother, cannot comprehend the gift she possesses. One day, she insisted that we come to this village. She claimed that her people needs her, that she needs to help her people. Though I was scared because I was scared that the king may spot me and harm me. But Uloma was adamant. So I had no other option than to embark on this journey. And that is why we are here.
You know, the major challenge that we have been having in this village is lack of rain. I can't even remember the last time we saw rainfall. The only time that we felt like it was going to rain was the day I saw you and your daughter stranded in that forest.
What an irony. Where we come from, every season, there is a heavy downpour of rain and all the crops flourish. See, I think Uloma can help this village. Yes.
Wakego.
I brought you this.
Thank you.
You can eat and enjoy yourself.
I want you to come join me.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
Sit, let's get together.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. So is the woman not joining us?
I actually kept ours at the back.
She's eating alone. It's okay.
Great. I want to go with you.
You want to go hunting with me?
Yes, if you don't mind.
Okay. If you insist. But no, it's not going to be an easy journey.
Okay, I understand.
I hope you won't run if you see a lion. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. What I tell you, mind the places you place your feet, because the earth is home of crawling creatures, which are deadly to us. And also, you see all these trees, you shouldn't lean on them, because they have deadly predators on the trees as well. Okay? So, when you see an animal, you don't make noise, because they have sharp ears. So you lean on your tools, you place your gun at them and you fire. Yeah.
Hey! Oh, come on, Sissy! I have come for you. And you must go home with me.
You don't marry. What has come over you? Huh? Have you suddenly forgotten who you are and what you represent?
And how is that your business? You must come home with me.
I'm sorry, but I am not going anywhere with you. Okay?
And why is that? Give me a befitting reason why I should turn around and walk away.
Fine. Because my heart beats for someone else. Yes, I am happy.
Ah! Who is that maiden that is trying to take away what belongs to me?
He said he's not interested. Let him be.
Let's go. Let's go.
Who is she? She possesses the power I once had. No, I doubt that. Was she the one who started the rain days ago? There is only one way to find out. of rain, beseech you, child, the one who poses a threat to great Idomiri, come forth! Show yourself! Show yourself! Do they stand in my way? Who do you think you are?
I have been enlightened by my chi. I am who you are meant to be.
You are nobody! And you cannot stand toe to toe with me. I see that you are strong. But now I know who my enemies are. But I promise you, you will curse the day you stepped foot into my kingdom.
The war has just begun.
You who cannot hide. You who cannot run. Idomi will come for you. Show me the one that threatens my sovereignty. The child that stands before me to challenge my supremacy. I will come after you with everything that I have. Show me. Show me. Oh, no, show me! Show me!
Wait. Is she now living with Okosisi? So, this is the reason he's refusing me. I know what to do.
Igwe, like we were saying, the Ofala of this year will come in a big way.
That's for my plan.
Igwe! The gods have finally spoken.
Oh. May the gods be praised. Please, Idu, tell us what the gods have said we must do.
Igwe! The gods are angry! Calamity sits on this land. And they have decided to turn their back on us until this calamity is over.
Idumri, tell us, why are the gods angry? What calamity are you talking about?
Someone who is not supposed to be here lives freely on this land. She must be sacrificed. And also, the gods has made a choice of man for me. Once this marriage is done, and the sacrifice has been made, the sky will open up to us, and there shall be rain again.
Idumile,
yes.
What are you trying to say?
Oh no! The words of the gods are not for amusement. Mind your choice of word, and remember, the ways of the gods are not the ways of man.
Please, Idumile, without hesitation, tell us who the gods have chosen for this sacrifice, and it must be done.
I will bring her here. God!
It's my princess.
Follow me.
Goddess of the rain.
Our problem is half solved. By the time the person the gods have chosen to be sacrificed is here, we must not hesitate. The rain must fall.
Yeah.
Let it be as you said.
She was forcefully taken out of this hut.
And who would do such a thing?
Igbo Dinaka. She warned me about him. I think he has her.
Then that's bad. If it is true that the king has her, there is nothing we can do about it.
Take me to the palace.
You want to face the king?
Just take me to the palace. If anything happens, it has already been written by the gods.
Behold, the calamity that has befallen us.
You, Wakego, I thought you were long dead.
No. The gods protected me and my child. Your own child, Igwe.
Woman, are you not a maiden in this palace? Which child do you refer as our king's child?
The child he forcefully impregnated.
Will you shut up, you lying, slippery maggot? Shut up your mouth! How can you say such despicable thing when you king like me? I will get your head chopped off if I hear your word again.
Wakego, where is this child?
Somewhere safe in this village.
Guards! Bundle her and get her prepared for the sacrifice instantly.
Move it.
Bundle her!
My elders, I'm saying the truth.
Move
It's the truth I'm telling you people.
Move it. Take her away.
Is next.
The man chosen for me by the gods. You must fix an immediate Ibanku for us. This will appease the gods.
How then do we get him?
Nwa will sebulana. Onwala neya. He will find his way here by himself.
Seize her! What kind of sorcery is this?
You have defied this land. Likewise, the one who calls herself the goddess of the rain.
How dare you!
Your Majesty, your so-called rain goddess has been forcing herself on me to lay with her. Yes, but I refused. A goddess that does not know her purpose is no goddess.
Oh God, Sissy!
How will you all stand here listening to these two fools saying incoherent stories?
You once tried to kill my mother, but you failed. And you want to commit the same act. If anything happens to my mother, I swear by the gods there will not be rain, and this land will be dried forever.
Says who?
Are you threatening me?
We shall all proceed to the sacrificial ground. We must get to the root of this.
All of you must be present to witness what is to come. Igwadunaka, wait for my return.
Yeah. Okay, CJ.
Imagine this greeting ant. Imagine this little rat. Are you standing here? Aren't you going to do something about the garden?
Oh, Mame! Igwe! Asim no Mame!
Look at the Dumini we thought it was so sound is also gallivanting in this kingdom.
My people of Umunze, the Honorable and the elders have ordered that everyone must be at the sacrificial shrine tomorrow, as it is important to witness the liberation of this land. My people of Umunze, the Honorable and the elders have ordered that everyone must be present at the sacrificial shrine tomorrow, as it is important to witness the liberation of this land.
My king, this is the fruit you asked for.
Oh, let me have. This is nice. Is it properly washed?
Yes, my king, I did. My king, can I take my leave now?
Yes. When I need your attention, I will call you.
Okay. Is there anything else you want me to do?
No, not for now.
Okay, my king.
Do you know that you are the most beautiful maiden I've ever seen in this kingdom?
Thank you, my king.
It's alright. You may leave.
Okay, my king. Thank you. Thank you, my king.
Excuse me. I want you to go to my chamber. Make sure that it is properly cleaned. Okay? Just move to my chamber and clean it up.
Okay, my king. I will do just that.
Okay. Obianimju, very pretty maiden. She's just Obianimju. Yes.
Igwe! Igwe, no! I am innocent. Please don't kill me, my elders. I am innocent.
The people of Umuze Kingdom. It is time. It is time to witness the liberty of this kingdom. She has to be sacrificed, and her blood shall cleanse this land.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't you dare stab my mother!
How dare you, child? How dare you challenge the great goddess of the rain?
You don't deserve any good thing, Mama. You don't deserve any good man. You are a disgrace to our kingdom, to our people.
She has to be sacrificed.
Untie my mother now! Now!
Untie her now!
Yeah, untie her. Untie her. Untie her. Do that fast. Okosisiada. The mighty Iroko has fallen.
This is strange.
Strange indeed.
Does it mean the death of the king has anything to do with the rain? Because if you look at it, after the rain, the king died. This kind of a thing has never happened in this kingdom before.
This is mysterious. Mysterious?
I can't just understand what you're saying.
This has never happened in the history of Alo Melo. Die!
I'm short of words.
Anyway, we need to put our heads together so we know the way forward.
You're right.
Exactly.
That's what we should do.
Yes.
I don't even know what to say.
The pure goddess of the rain, the one who brings forth rain and flourish the land.